dome. Earth to Donna. Aloha. Yeah, cool. Don't answer me, that's awesome. Damn, I have a huge ass big yard. Look at it. Looks like a friggin' hillbilly. Riding on my tractor. Are you gonna wave? Hello? Mom! Nice hoodie, where'd you get it? Oh, she waved. That's a good sign. Looks like a friggin' igloo. How you call them, Eskimos? Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna eat some friggin' breakfast.